Managing your salary effectively can pave the way to a stable financial future. The first step in mastering this skill is to create a comprehensive budget. Begin by detailing your monthly income, accounting for your salary after taxes. This gives you a clear understanding of your available funds. Following this, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable. Fixed expenses include rent, utilities, and loan payments, while variable expenses cover groceries, entertainment, and discretionary spending. By organizing your finances into these categories, you can easily identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Next, establish financial goals to provide motivation and direction for your budgeting efforts. Set short-term goals, such as saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund, and long-term goals like retirement savings or purchasing a home. This dual approach encourages steady progress and keeps your deliberations focused. Regularly review your goals to gauge your progress and make adjustments as necessary. Visualizing these objectives makes it easier to stay committed to your financial plan, transforming aspirations into achievable milestones. Creating a savings plan is also essential in managing your salary wisely. Consider employing the 50-30-20 rule as a template. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Automating your savings by setting up direct transfers to your savings account each month can simplify the process, ensuring you prioritize saving before you're tempted to spend. Additionally, maintain an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, providing a financial cushion for unexpected situations. Furthermore, keep a close eye on your discretionary spending. To manage your money effectively, practice mindful spending by asking yourself whether a purchase aligns with your financial goals. Regularly review your bank statements and identify patterns in your spending habits. Implementing strategies such as the envelope system can help limit excess spending in particular categories. This approach allows you to physically allocate money for specific expenses, reinforcing awareness and control over your financial decisions. In conclusion, effectively managing money from your salary involves creating a budget, setting financial goals, saving diligently, and being mindful of discretionary spending. By implementing these strategies, you will cultivate a healthier financial lifestyle, ensuring you maximize the potential of every paycheck. With persistence and dedication, the journey toward financial stability becomes not just a possibility, but a rewarding reality.